Brabus has transformed the G63 AMG into an off-road monster with more ground clearance than the 4x4 Superscript 2. The Brabus XL 800 is the latest version of the G-Class by the popular tuner. With 470mm of ground clearance, it outdoes the standard G-Class by 118mm. It features a carbon fiber body kit, portal axles, and an upgraded twin-turbo V8. Brabus has rolled out yet another outrageous version of the Mercedes-AMG G63, and this one's called the XL 800. True to form, it's packing a fresh set of modifications, including a revamped suspension with portal axles, a carbon fiber body kit, a reworked interior, and a twin-turbo V8 engine that now churns out 788 horsepower. It's basically the G-Class for someone who thinks the regular G63 is too subtle. The Brabus XL 800 takes ground clearance, literally, to absurd new heights. We're talking 470mm, 18.5 inches, which is a solid 119mm, 4.7 inches, higher than the already beefy 351mm, 13.8 inches, of the factory-spec Mercedes-AMG G63 4x4 Superscript 2. This is all thanks to a new suspension setup featuring portal axles, a custom front axle, and a special edition of Brabus RideControl coilovers. If you want to make a statement, this SUV certainly helps you do that. The off-road monster is equipped with a Brabus wide star body kit, further accentuating its head-turning credentials. The wide fender extensions with integrated vents are made of carbon fiber, matching the power dome hood and the sporty bumpers. The XL 800 also sports roof-mounted LEDs and a rear wing. Other notable additions include the bull bar, the side-mounted exhausts, the retractable side steps, and the countless Brabus emblems around the bodywork. The SUV rides on a new set of 22-inch Brabus monoblock Z/HD forged alloy wheels, shod in Pirelli Scorpion all-terrain rubber. Unlike most versions of the G-Class, the XL 800 doesn't have a full-size spare wheel mounted on the tailgate. Inside, Brabus has rolled out its signature masterpiece treatment, featuring hand-stitched quilted slate gray leather upholstery, plenty of carbon fiber accents, and a Dynamica headliner. Even the sunshades get the carbon treatment. As if that wasn't enough, there are roof-mounted gauges and extra displays for the rear passengers. Under the hood of the XL 800 sits an upgraded version of AMG's twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8. It produces 788 horsepower, 588 kilowatts/800 PS, and a solid 1,000 Newton-meters, 737 lb-ft, of torque. While Brabus offers even more powerful G-Wagon models, these numbers are still more than enough to launch the SUV from 0 to 100 km per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, in 4.6 seconds. As for the top speed, it's capped at 210 km per hour, 130 miles per hour. But honestly, you wouldn't want to go any faster in such a high-riding vehicle. Brabus hasn't disclosed an official price for the XL 800, but if you think it'll be close to the standard G63, you're living in a dream world. With its extreme upgrades to the exterior, interior, chassis and powertrain, this off-roader is likely to cost a pretty penny.